It's already in the mid-50s. We'll let everything have a little sun, get a little air. Tonight we're gonna button it up tight. It's probably gonna be buttoned up for a week. Now we're coming on the 4th winter with something growing in this garden consistently. I've never overwintered in a raised bed. I think I've got enough mulch up around the sides to keep the soil warm. We'll see. I did have a viewer write in and say I should be using blankets instead of plastic. The condensation freezes on that plastic. Over the last 3 winters, I found when it gets this cold, yes, we'd get condensation on the inside and it freezes. Kind of an igloo kind of effect. The most important thing I found is you want to keep your edges covered. You don't want any of that cold air to sneak in anywhere. You're out in the country, you never know what you're gonna see. Now I've got a lot of wood chips around this entire frame. I think we're gonna be in pretty good shape. Now if I can get Mama Cat to get off my ladder, I think I'll go ahead and get that Swiss chard buttoned up. Now, I pruned quite a bit of this lettuce back. If we lose it, at least I got some. I'm gonna use this bag of leaves up against this side. And in the hay that we brought in, same thing with this Swiss chard. And you start putting some mulch around the edge. That's all you gotta do. Probably won't be looking underneath here for 4 or 5 days. It's still nice now. It's gonna be 17 degrees and blowing snow by morning. I hope you're buttoned up. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.